Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're closing out the first week of January and opening up the second week. So let's, as usual, start with expenses. We are doing my new budget book for the year. So this is the first week I've done this. I have made a couple of mistakes, but that's okay. Let me quickly zoom you in so you can better see what I'm writing. So I think this should be okay. So these are the expenses. Let's start with groceries. That was 32 plus 678, 126. That was the 45 in total. And then we have spending 550 plus 5 plus 950 was 20. Dine out was 17 plus 8 plus 15 plus 21 plus 4, 65. Fun was 35. Gifts was 26. Subscriptions was 14 and beauty was 69. So 1469. Let's count the total. So 45 plus 20 plus 65 plus 35 plus 26 plus 14 plus 69. In total, it was 244 euros. So the weekly income was 450. So 45 divided by 450 multiplied by 100, that's 10% of weekly income. 20 divided by 450 was 4%. 65 divided by 450, 14%, 7%, 6%, 3%, and 15%. So the highest amount went into beauty, then dine out, and then groceries. So that was for the expenses. And let's quickly switch to the weekly closeout. I will zoom you. Oh no, you can still see. Let me maybe zoom it like this. Okay, great. So the paycheck for the income was actually 405. The rollover was 8, so the total was 458. Let me grab my cash envelopes and we'll see the rollover. So groceries had 45. Spending has a rollover of, let's see, a 5. So the total was 20. And dine out has a rollover of 5 as well. So that was 65. So we're not putting anything into buffer. That was 130. 328 is left. So here we are adding monthly savings challenges. So let's do first, how much did we add into, oh my god, I was not prepared for this video at all. How much did we add into the, okay, wait. I didn't check this before. 19 plus 6 plus 11 plus 9 plus 4, 49. Okay, so we added 49 into savings. So we added 1 extra to rollover. Okay, so that was 21 into rollover. Okay, now we should have the actual amounts. So the actual amounts were the same everywhere except rollover and the savings challenges. Not the savings challenges, but the savings challenge. So in total, that was 30 plus 10 plus, so 30 plus 10 plus 45 plus 21 plus 126, 210, 210, 49 plus 2, 307. And then Charity did get 1. Christmas, Etsy, and Tattoos Piercings didn't get anything. 30 for 30 got 5. Subscriptions got 5. And then we are adding this 10 into monthly savings challenges as the rollover. That's one of our savings challenges. So we'll leave it here. And this should be 1 plus 5 plus 5 plus 10. 21. 328 minus 21 is indeed 37, and that was what was left in here. Okay, so that was for this week. Let me quickly go to the monthly savings challenges, and I'm going to update you on what we did. We're going to update the trackers. So I was surprised because this week I didn't go into the city much, so I just stayed at home. So it was a low spending week. So for subscribers, I did get 3 new subscribers. So we're gonna add 3 extra euros from our next paycheck into this. We already did hit our 5 spending days. I'm using this budget. So sorry for that, we had some technical difficulties, but yes, I'm using the Budget Mom no spend monthly tracker to track my no spend days, and we had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 no spend days already, and that was one of my goals for January, and that's what I did. So the 1st of January, the 3rd of January, 4th of January, 6th of January, and the 8th of January. So completed on the 8th of January. We can color in the star. We did this already. And I already allocated these funds into the monthly savings. And then we also had a goal of allocate at least 50 euros in rollover from cash envelopes. Today, we are adding 10 euros, which is the 8th of January. So that's going to go into our tracker. And then 1 week without coffee twice a day. I did that. So we went from, let me check my notes. We went from the 2nd of January until the 8th. So that was this week. And each day got a allocation of 3 euros per 7 days. In total, that was 28 euros saved. And we also completed that on the 8th of January, which is today. So basically, we already completed 2 of our goals this month from the monthly savings challenge. These are mystery savings challenges that I do sell on my Etsy shop. Each month is a different pattern, a different idea, a different goal. So go check those out if you're interested. So let's add the 10 extra euros in here. Let's update our tracker. Plus 10. And we should have 46 euros in here already saved. So let's check. 10, 20, 25, 30, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, and 46. Indeed. So I will allocate from the next paycheck 3 euros to represent our new subscribers. So hello, welcome. Thank you for joining. And then I will add this to the envelope here as well. And then at the end of the month, we will count the total of the envelope and we'll see how much we managed to save in our monthly savings challenge. So that was for the update on the previous week. So let's now move on to the next week. And we'll see what the budget awaits us in here. So let me quickly zoom you in once again so you can see better what I'm doing. Okay, so this week's budget is from the 9th of January until the 15th of January. So our paycheck number 1 is going, number 2 actually, is going to be 350, and we're using a rollover amount of 58. So in total, that's going to be 408 euros we are stuffing this week. So we are putting 45 in groceries, spending is going to get 25. Dine out is going to get 70 and buffer nothing. So in total for cash envelopes, we are stuffing 140. So then we have 268 left. So for charity, we are stuffing 1. Christmas, Etsy, and Tattoos and Piercings is not getting anything. 30 for 30 is going to get 10. Subscriptions is going to get 1. And then monthly savings challenges is going to get 3. So in total, that's going to be 15. And that leaves us with 253 euros. Okay, so for sinking funds, short-term sinking funds, beauty is going to get 25, birthdays is going to get 1, clothing 5, fun is going to get 15, gifts isn't going to get anything, health is going to get 25, holidays 1, rollover nothing, and travel 100. So in total for short-term sinking funds it's going to be 172. And then for long-term sinking funds, babies is going to get 1, car 1, emergency a 15, home and pets each a 1, retirement 10, savings is going to get 50, allocated anything that we don't stop in our 50 envelope challenge, we are moving right on to rollover, and technology and weddings is going to get a 1. And then total for short-term sinking funds, we are adding 81. So in total, it's going to be 253, which means we have 0 euros left to budget, and each of our euros of income is allocated in our budget. So that was this hectic video for today. Sorry, I'm still trying to learn how to film with this setup. A new year, new mistakes, new improvements, so bear with me. But yes, I'll be back tomorrow with a cash stuffing of this paycheck, so make sure to stay tuned for that. In the meanwhile, I hope you have a very amazing day, and I wish to see you next time. Bye.